If you accidentally deleted your call logs, here's how to recover deleted call history on iPhone. First of all, restore from iCloud backup. And it only works if your call history was backed up before deletion. To check that, go to your Settings app, then tap on your name at the very top. After that, tap on iCloud. Here, tap iCloud Backup and check the last backup date. Make sure it's from before the call log was deleted. After that, go back to the main settings menu, then tap on General. Then scroll all the way down and choose Transfer or Reset iPhone. Here, tap Erase all content and settings. Then set up your iPhone again and choose Restore from iCloud Backup. Your call history will be restored along with your other data. And that's all. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.